Marketing, what it is in its core, it is creating and satisfying customers and by creating value for them. And it is a cornerstone of everything in business. Every single business, every single organization needs marketing specialists, marketing professionals out there.
The marketing classes that were already offered, I really enjoyed. So when this became a thing, I was like, I'm absolutely going to jump on it. I know I want to go into the marketing world at some point. So having this opportunity to really specify in it, I'm able to excel in that.
In the classroom, we can use both textbook examples, concepts, theories, and actual real-world experience that professors who've been out there have experienced in their past careers. We also have the small classrooms of Monmouth, so you're not going to be lost in an auditorium of 200. At the most, you may have 30 people in your classroom in the principles of marketing, and by the time you get to the higher level classes, you're probably not going to have more than 20. So you're going to intimately get to know all of your professors. We're going to get to know you by name. We're going to have vested interest in your success in the marketing program.